Come on. From the key. Wasn't the prettiest start, but it's all good. A little bit of belt slippage. But we still got adjustments to make. And turns off with the key too. Figuring out why our lights are so dim on the passenger side, our headlights. Nope, the turn indicator is lit up, but when the headlights are off, it isn't. But when they come on, watch. High beams, it gets brighter. Low beams, it doesn't. There's our draw. So I get to figure it out. Coolest thing about the clear state of the Tappan River. So I've been building this Cadillac for Alex for a while. Alex is a friend of mine. We've known each other since we were like 6th grade, middle school. So, doing his caddy for him. I'm here once or twice a month working on it. You know, it's taken a while, but, well, there's a video series on it. It'll be around. So, what's fun is when I'm here, a lot of times I'm working right next to their Class 11 championship winning buggy. They've won 2021 Baja 400 and 500. Third in the 1000. So they have won the championship for Class 11. But this is as it came off the trailer after the 1000 a few weeks ago. But shout out to them. You know, I've known Alex for a long time. And our buddy David, their little shop customs. Whoop. He's on there too. GHA, that's Alex. And El Patron in Palm Springs, that's Alex too. Anyway. Congrats, boys. It's cool seeing this get built and working next to it.